Hi everybody, I hope you're all well. I am really excited because today I get to talk to you about our 2018 production of Cinderella. This is really exciting because this Sunday, the 24th of May at 2 p.m, we are making an online version of this available for everybody to watch. The 2018 version that you were watching is actually the second time the company have done this ballet. The first time was 2015 and we choreographed it from scratch, and we had brand new music composed by a very talented South Wales composer called Jack White. His music is incredible, and personally I've done this ballet twice now and it's been a joy to dance to that music both times. Both our productions of Cinderella had circus elements in them. In this version, we had aerial silks hung up in the back, which is where the birds lived, and we were taught some aerial silk work by the team at Citrus Arts. All the dancers got the chance to learn some skills, and then the birds, or whoever the cast were that were the birds, performed on the silks those nights. In this version, I was lucky enough to play the role of the prince, which I feel so privileged to have been able to do, and it was so much fun doing that role in the production. You will see that the prince is always accompanied by the prince's friend, which was played by Miguel. Now, in real life, Miguel and I are very, very good friends, and in real life, I'm a little bit serious and Miguel is a little bit mischievous. So we tried to bring that into the role. So you will see that the prince and the prince's friend are quite often mucking around, and it is one day while they're mucking around in the forest, they bump into Cinderella. Cinderella was played by the wickedly talented Beth, who, like Miguel in real life, is a very close friend of mine. Dancing with her every night and having to fall in love with her like our characters do was really easy because she's just awesome. Most of the scenes in this production are set in the graveyard, the ballroom, or Cinderella's family house. Because we're a small touring company, we don't have the van space to tour massive sets. So we toured with a blow-up sofa and a blow-up armchair. We replaced the blow-up sofa in the 2018 version with a real sofa, but in the 2015 version, we had a blow-up armchair. In 2015, I played the stepbrother, and I can't believe I'm going to say this on camera, but there was one show where things did not go well for the brother. I had this part where I would roll backwards over the armchair and the chair would flip over with me. I would stand up and do a handstand forward roll into it, and I would kind of reverse the chair. But this one show, I did my backwards roll into the chair and that worked. So I rolled and the chair kept going. So I've rolled backwards, the chair has rolled over me. So I then jumped up and I kicked the chair, but the chair had actually rolled that far back that it had gone into the wings, and when I'd kicked it, it took the whole wing with it, and it almost brought the wing down. But then I tried to jump onto the chair because it was inflatable, and I then jumped over, landed on the chair, but because it was inflatable, I bounced out of the chair and landed on the floor with what I can only describe as a slap and a thud noise combined. The whole time I was still in character, and I'd thought I'd almost got away with it. But when I hit the floor, I heard somebody in the front row go, "Oh!" And I can't believe I've just told you that, but that is just to let you know that sometimes things don't go as planned. But in this version, as a prince, it all went smoothly. The choreography and costumes were designed and choreographed by Darius James, who is our artistic director, and Amy Doughty, who is our assistant artistic director. As I mentioned earlier, this ballet does have some grim moments in, especially in the second act, but also a lot of funny moments. So keep your eyes peeled for what the stepmother, the stepbrother, and the stepsister are doing in the second act, because even if they're not doing the main part on stage, they are doing hilarious things in the background. A big shout out to all the dancers that were in this production, whether you are still with the company or not. It was so much fun to share the stage with you all. Thank you for making it awesome. And to those of you who are going to watch Sunday at 2 p.m, please enjoy, and I hope you enjoy watching it as much as I did performing it. Bye for now.